BJP senior most leader L.K. Advani standing from Gandhinagar after a pitched battle with the BJP's top brass after he wanted to stand from Bhopal, something the party rejected. But after Mr. Advani relented, it seems the Gujarat state unit is pulling out the stops, with Gujarat Chief Minister and BJP Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi's trusted aide Amit Shah himself spearheading the campaign in what has been perceived as a move to show that Modi is not distancing himself from the old guard.
A rare sight in Gujarat's political landscape. BJP's Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi playing a supporting role, and instead his political mentor L.K. Advani finding a more prominent place. These are huge billboards put up by the BJP in Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar residential areas, which fall in Gandhinagar constituency, which Advani will contest. A lot of drama had unfolded before Mr. Advani gave his consent to contest from Gandhinagar constituency. He had wanted to shift his constituency to Bhopal. His supporters feared that the growing divide between him and Mr. Modi could hamper his chances of a sixth successive win from the constituency. But the party seems to be covering up the differences for the time being. The Gujarat BJP has gone on an overdrive for Advani's campaign. Two trusted aides of Narendra Modi, Amit Shah and Anandiben Patel, have begun roadshows for their senior leader. Perhaps the BJP trying to send a signal that it was not just about winning an individual seat, but also demonstrating that all party leaders were on board for Advani's campaign.
मोदी अच्छा नहीं करते हैं, ऐसी एक क्रिटिसिज्म धीरे धीरे शुरू हुई, तो डैमेज कंट्रोल, मेरे ख्याल से डैमेज कंट्रोल की एक हो सकता है कि भाई ऐसा हमारे बीच में नहीं है. मैं आज भी अडवाणी जी को मेरे वरिष्ठ नेता मानता हूँ, मैं उनका अपना गुरु मानता हूँ.
मेरी असेंबली कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में श्री अडवाणी जी के चुनाव प्रचार के लिए एक छोटी सी शुरुआत यहाँ के भारतीय जनता पार्टी के आयोजकों ने रखी है. संयोग से मैं भी आज यहाँ था, तो मैं भी अडवाणी जी के प्रचार में हिस्सा लेने के लिए आज यहाँ आया हूँ.
The former Deputy Prime Minister is expected to file his nomination papers on Saturday. The senior-most leader in the party would only hope that the enthusiasm shown by the cadre so far will continue until the votes are cast. In Ahmedabad, with camera person Natwar Parmar, Rohit Ban for NDTV.